So let's understand the addition of objects to a list in Java. Okay, let's consider that first of all we have a class named person. So let's say that we have a class named person here, right? And this person has two instance variables. The first is the name and the second is the age, right? But now we have to add objects of this particular person class into a list, right? So this is our list. Now for that, all we have to do is first of all to create an object of class type persons, but we are not creating any kind of object, but we are creating an array list of objects. So in Java, all we do is array list and the type of the object that we keep inside the list. So the name of the class, that is person, and the name of that particular object, so we are naming that persons, and the new keyword and array list followed by angular brackets and small braces. So this creates an object. After that, what we have to create is the object of type class person. So person, and named it John, equals to the new keyword and again the person. Now since we assume that there is a default constructor of this class person that takes the initial name as the parameter, so we are passing a string initial name, and the initial name of the person is John. So person John has the initial name of John. Similarly, we can also create another objects as well, but first of all let's add this particular new object, that is John, to our list named persons. So to do that, all we have to do is just as if we are adding some variable to a list, and all we do is first of all give the name of the list, that is persons, dot use the keyword add, and then a brace, and inside the braces all we are doing is adding the name of the object, that is John. Now this is one way to do it, but we can directly also do things like persons dot add a new keyword person and the initial name. Let's say we're adding Matthew, right? Matthew, and we can do this again. So the next thing is gonna be, let's just change the name to something like Martin. So this is done. So now what we have is, with this code, what we have is, first of all we have a list. Now what we have is a list. So this is our list, and we have named it persons, right? This is a small p right here. So this is a persons list. Now this holds the object named John, Matthew, and then Martin for now. Okay, so this is how our list goes. So yeah, this is our list, and that's how we add objects to a list in Java with the use of codes that we have just written over here.